Open your computer search, type here BitLocker, open manage BitLocker. In here, you find all your available drives. Now find out or select the drive you want to turn on BitLocker. So I'm going to turn on BitLocker for my local disk C drive, for example. So I'm clicking on turn on BitLocker. And now choose how do you want to backup your recovery key. You can select save to Microsoft account. You can choose save to a file, or you can print the recovery key. So in my case, I'm clicking on print the recovery key, clicking on print, selecting these documents location to save. Now I'm clicking on next and choose how much of your drive to encrypt. You can choose encrypt used disk space only, or you can choose encrypt entire drive. Now choose which encryption mode to use. You can select new encryption mode, best for fixed drives on this device, or you can choose compatible mode, best for drives that can be moved from this device. In my case, I'm selecting compatible mode. And now, are you ready to encrypt this drive? Just click on start encrypting, and as you can see, the encrypting is now started. It may take some minutes to complete encryption. Once your drive successfully encrypted, now restart your computer. Now go to your file explorer and click on this PC, and here we can see the drive is now locked. Let's try to open this drive. As you can see, it's asking to enter the password to unlock the drive. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.